Good morning students, hope you all are fine. This is your computer class. Open your Adobe Photoshop books. Students, in the last class we people have discussed custom shape tool, other tools like eyedropper tool and filter gallery. And in the class of today we will cover page number 38 till 40. And we will discuss creating animation, creating stepwise animation and working with tweening. So students, open your books at the page number 38. Our first topic is animation. Animation is a sequence of images or frame that is displayed over time. Each of these images differ slightly from the previous one. When you play with these images or the text, it creates the illusion of the movement. Means whenever we are doing the animation, it will give the movement effect to a text or the image. Now, next topic we are having creating stepwise animation. Students, here I want to make you clear that adding frame is the first step in creating an animation. So we will open Adobe Photoshop and we will add the frame. For adding the frame we are having window menu and animation option, and my timeline will appear in front of me. Students, these are the frames. This is my first frame. Select a frame is a current frame before you start working with it. We have to select that frame when we want to do the animation. We can create the next frame with this button, duplicate selected frame. I'll click over there and my new frame is added. I can add as many as frame I want in my animation. And with this delete button I can delete the selected frame and click on yes. Now the current frame is always indicated by the narrow border around the frame thumbnail. This is my current frame. It is blue in color. If I'll click over there, this is my current frame. To select the current frame in the animation on palette, click on the thumbnail of that frame which you want to select as current frame. These are the thumbnail view. I'll click over there. This will become my current frame. Now this will become my current frame. Now we will discuss that how to select the multiple frames. This is my navigation bar, and if I want to go to the forward, I can click over this button, and with this button you can select the next frame in the series as the current frame. You want to go to the next, this is my forward button, and this is my backward button. By clicking on it we can select the previous frame in the series as the current frame. And this is my rewind button. Rewind button help to select the first frame in the series as the current frame. Clear, students? The forward button, backward button and rewind button, and we have learned that how to create the frames. Hope you understand the topic of creating frame and selecting frame. Now our next topic is working with tweening. Tweening means animations. Now for that we will type the text. Students, we can apply the animation on the image or the text as per our requirement. I'm going to type the text. I will type with the help of text tool holyheart Presidency School. Students, I have written holyheart Presidency School. Now I want to bring my timeline. For that we have discussed that we will click on window menu, animation option, and my first frame is added. Now with the help of move tool, we will move our text. I will move the text slightly above. Now I will add the next frame. Again I will move the text, then again next frame, and in this way, as per our requirement, we can add on the frames and move our text. In this way we can add the frames, and I'm giving the movement to my text. Now when you have given the movement, after that we will click on this tweening button, or you can say tween animation frame, and we will click on this OK button. Now my tween frames are added. Students, here we can set the speed also. I will click over there. I'll select 0.5 for my each frame. As much as movement you want, you can give it 0.5, 1, 2, how much faster or slower you want, that you can adjust according to your requirement by clicking on this drop down button of this time. I will add 0.5 to my each frame. Now students, here is the button in which we are having that we want this animation play for once for forever, means continue. I want my animation, or for one time. I'll select forever. Now students, this is my play button. I'll click over the play. I will select my first frame. Now I'll click on this play button, and my frames are moving and my text is moving as I have given the movement. Students, here I have selected the forever option. That's why my movement is moving continually. In this way we can move our text according to our requirement. Clear, students? Now let us discuss the steps to work with tweening. Click on Start button, All Program, Adobe Photoshop CS3, type the text, click on Window menu, select Animation option, click on Duplicate selected frame, means we want to add the frames. Drag the text to the right hand side or any other direction in which you want to create the tweening. Click on Tweening button and click on OK button, and at the last we will click on Play button. In this way we can create the tweening. Students, in the class of today we people have discussed creating animation, creating stepwise animation, and working with tweening. Hope you understood the class of today. Do the practice of doing animations with the help of school links. Thank you so much.